Hey Fortnite fans, welcome back. Need to cancel your Fortnite crew subscription on PC? I'm walking you through the easiest steps to stop that 11.99 monthly charge in 2025, quick and easy. So guys, why cancel and what you keep? So Fortnite gives you 1000 V-Bucks, exclusive skins and battle passes, but maybe you're also taking a break or saving cash. Good news, cancelling is simple and you keep all earned V-Bucks, crew packs and passes after cancellation. Just act before your billing date to avoid the next charge. So you need to visit the epicgames.com and sign into your Epic Games account. Click your profile picture top right and select settings. In the sidebar, click subscriptions. Find Fortnite crew, click the cog icon and hit cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm. Done. Your subscription stays active until the billing period ends. No refunds, but no future charges. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can also perform a very similar cancelling process on Xbox and PlayStation, as you can see on the screen. This is the official guide from Epic Games. And now you've cancelled Fortnite crew on PC like a pro. More Fortnite, want more gaming tips? Guys, smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.